Want to create a super realistic animated character like the one you're seeing right now for free using just your phone? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to generate and animate your own character. No expensive gear, no being on camera, no editing skills required. It's 2025. Nothing should hold you back from creating high-quality content. Welcome to Big Wiz Media. I'm Nyarko Wiz, your tutor for today. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own animated character ready to post anywhere. If that sounds good, stick around. And if you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It helps me reach more creators like you. All right, let's dive in. First up, generating the character with Sora. You can also use ChatGPT. But for today's demo, I'll stick with Sora. And don't worry, the exact prompt I used is in the description below. Alright, so just like I mentioned, we are going to use Sora to create our avatar or character. However, you can also use ChatGPT. To access Sora, come to ChatGPT like you see here, click on the hamburger menu on your top left corner, then click on Sora. This will open a new tab. Once you're on the Sora page, click on the Edit icon. Now, I need to give it a prompt, but before that, I want the avatar to look like me, so I have to upload images of myself. Click on the plus sign, then Upload from Device, and upload about 3 images of yourself. Once the images are uploaded, we can give it the prompt. I already have mine saved on my keyboard. It reads, using the attached selfie as an exact reference, generate a high-resolution professional headshot that preserves 100% of my facial features, including face shape, hair, skin tone, and expression. Apply studio-quality lighting and a soft, neutral background, and adjust my attire to a green and yellow hoodie with Big Wiz Media written on it, ensuring the image exudes confidence. Place him in a well-decorated and colorful YouTube studio with a laptop in front of him, and show his hands making hand gestures like he's talking. Then click on Remix, and Sora will start processing your image. As you can see, I've already created a couple of avatars here. Our new avatar will be done in no time. Let's wait for it. Excellent! Our images are ready. Isn't this beautiful? Now download them onto your device. Upscaling the image. This part isn't mandatory, but I usually upscale my avatar to make it sharp and clean. Open Canva on your phone. Tap the plus sign, then Upload, and select the image you just downloaded from Sora. Click on Use in New Design. Once everything loads, click on the image, then go to Settings, and select Image Upscaler. Click to run it on the entire page, then click Continue. Increase it to the maximum, then click Export. Once it's upscaled, click Add to Design. Delete the old background and scale the upscaled image to fit the entire space. Click on Adjust, then Auto Adjust, and increase or decrease the intensity as you like. Finally, download it onto your device. Generating voiceover with Google AI Studio.
Now, with Google AI Studio, come to your browser.
Open a new
again,
browser tab and search for Google AI Studio, then click the first result.
Alright, then you click on the first search result.
Look for native speech generation.
And look for native speech generation.
Select the music settings icon, choose single speaker audio, and pick your preferred voice actor. Type the script you want your avatar to say. For example, "Alright, this is a tutorial on how to lip sync any character. This tutorial is brought to you by Big Wiz Media." Click Run, and once the voiceover is generated, download it. Lip syncing the avatar with Lemon Slice. Open a new tab, search for Lemon Slice, and click Go to Studio. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Once in the studio, click Select Image or Video. I like using Sora for the avatar because I can use reference images to make the character look like me. Lemon Slice's generation doesn't allow that yet. Generate a new image using your prompt. Select the aspect ratio, 1:1 for Instagram and TikTok, 16:9 for YouTube. Pick the Imagen 4 model, click Generate. If you like the outcome, click Use This. You can also generate audio with Lemon Slice by typing a short script, selecting a voice actor, and clicking Generate. Click Use Audio, then select the model. I prefer version 2.7, which has full body and background motion. Leave the settings to default and click Generate. Using the Sora avatar and Google AI Studio voiceover, upload the upscaled avatar under My Media. Then upload the voiceover from Google AI Studio. Note, Google AI Studio generates WAV files, which Lemon Slice doesn't support. Convert it to MP3 using vocalremover.org. Then upload it. Click Select. Choose the 2.7 model, leave everything default, and click Generate. Wait for the lip sync to finish. If you want to learn how to edit YouTube videos on your phone, check the description or the corner for other tutorials. Don't forget to share this video and tell someone about Big Wiz Media. And there you go. Now your avatar is animated with the voiceover. See you in the next video.
Alright guys, this is a tutorial video by Big Wiz Media.
All right, this is a tutorial on how to lip sync any character. This tutorial is brought to you by Big Wiz Media.